Hi people. Today I want to look at guiding questions, what they are, what they're used for, and how to make them. This is part of a bigger series on academic research and writing college essays, so be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. A guiding question is a research tool. It doesn't go in your final draft. It's not something that you present in your speech. It's not something that you show at the meeting. It is a research tool that helps you behind the scenes. A lot of what you do, there's a lot more to what you do than what you publish or present. And I would just keep, when you're researching something, I would just keep all of your research notes in one place, probably one file, but it could be one spiral notebook, it could be one set of 3x5 notebook cards. And research doesn't have to be limited to only academic things. It also helps as a consumer or as a citizen. Anytime you need accurate facts that you know you can trust, this is research process. So I started with a vague topic. I want to save the dolphins. This is pretty broad. I probably don't want to write that many pages to totally cover all of the details of this, but so I want to focus in a little bit, and I need some direction, and I need a direction to go. So the best way to do this is to form a guiding question. I'm going to take my topic, I'm going to make it a question, and I'm going to add words like how should or what should, or maybe just should. Because should, in particular, will get you a recommendation. It gets you thinking in terms of what's the best course of action, or what steps should we take. And when I start doing that and I put all those pieces together to save the dolphins, I go, how should we save the dolphins? Or what should we do to save the dolphins? Or how should people protect dolphins? Okay, that's not going to be perfect. That's not going to be my final form of my guiding question because it's just a research tool and it's going to grow and change over time. In fact, a lot of what we do as research is to increase our ability to find more credible, accurate facts. My guiding question is going to help me a lot later as I look at a list of things that might be good information for me. I can use my guiding question and say the title of the article in the database. I can use my guiding question and the title of a source. If it sounds like the thing that I found is going to help me answer part of my guiding question, then it's worth studying that thing more. If it doesn't help me, then I'm going to set it to the side. I'm not going to take any more time with it because I don't want to spend a lot of time, say, reading titles of articles and where most of them don't actually help me. We will cover more parts to research in other videos, so make sure you subscribe.